What's up guys, it's NES Man and welcome to this Fire Alarm Fridays unboxing video. Let's get into it. Now, before we get into the fun part of opening the box, I would just like to shout out Kyle at Katie's Outlet. He has some amazing alarms at really good prices, so I suggest you go check him out on eBay. That's where I've been getting all my alarms recently. He's a really nice seller and amazing to work with and has some great deals, so go check him out. Now, time for the fun part. So, I opened the box already. However, if you look on the top, he was nice enough to write NES Man on there, which is really cool. Thank him for that. That's awesome. So if we go ahead and open up our box, we have some more of one of the greatest things ever called paper. So I'm just going to open this. Oh, wait, oh my gosh! This is extra! This wasn't supposed to be in here. Holy crap, wow! This is a Simplex remote strobe. This is interesting. Wow, 4904. 9185. Wow. Big thank you to Kyle. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I did not expect this. Wow. Okay, so that's device number 1. Paper out of the way. We grab device number 2. Here's device number 2. It is a red-backed Simplex T-bar. Let's see what the model is. 2099 9754. Finally, I got a new T-bar. So yeah, this is really cool. A really cool device. Because I really do need a modern Simplex T-bar. So now I finally have one. And, oh, there's a little screw. Put that right there. And then for our final device, oh wait, this isn't our final device. Holy crap. If we open it up, oh wow, this is really cool. It's an Elenco 51D fire alarm pull station. Wow, this is really cool actually. Try and get it open. Don't know much about these pull stations. It's very interesting. Here, I'll get it open later. Wow, that's really cool also. And here's our last device. Ooh, it's heavy. Wow. Oh, it's a 4903 series speaker. Wow, that's really cool. Oh my gosh. I wasn't expecting this either. Wow, big shout out to Kyle at Katie's Outlet. You definitely need to go check him out. Wow, this is awesome. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. That wraps up the video. So, see you guys next time, and peace out.